What's up guys? Hope everybody had a great weekend. It is a new week here at CM Builds. I got another G82. Gonna be doing a single mid pipe on that guy. I have the hot parts getting dropped off from Jay at R&L powder coat. So it's gonna be a week of fun again. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm doing my best to make them entertaining, informative, I guess you can say. If you guys have any ideas, suggestions, what you want to see on the channel, drop a comment and let me know. Alright guys, the G82 is a wrap. The customer already picked it up. I just got my parts back from Cerakote and man, they look amazing. R&L kills this every time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install these for the last time, really, because I'm not taking them off after this. Once they're installed, then I can start plumbing the turbos, start building intercooler piping, and then off she goes.
The next day.
This is my first weld right here.
Dude, look, this guy already has a freaking welding helmet on. What the hell?
See that? Look, I did that.
Damn!
What you think?
What's that? What's that, brother?
Dude, you can definitely get hired at one of those like
shitty Joe mom and pop shops, right?
An eternity later.
Yeah, we're ready. Okay. That's not bad.
We gotta wait for it to warm up. It's not super loud. It is louder. It sounds catless.
Bro, I'm telling you. Are you happy now?
Hell yeah.
Oh my god! That thing's gonna blow up for sure.
Dude, it sounds sick.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, it sounds good.
The next morning.
Good morning. It is another day. I got some of the stuff installed on the G70. I'll show you a quick little snippet of it. I got the water lines ran for the turbo, feed lines ran. All I need to do now is make a return line, and then this side will be done. I'm still waiting on the other turbo. It should be coming hopefully today, and I can start doing the passenger side and getting that wrapped up. Today I have a couple cars I need to do, to be honest. Work on Brandon's little Datsun truck, wire a switch for the starter, and I have a Q5 that I have to diagnose and figure out too. All right guys, this job's a wrap. I mean, I did everything off camera because it's not really like cool. It's just like maintenance stuff. Okay, so basically a little Nissan Datsun truck. I had to run my own wire from basically the ignition. There was a broken wire somewhere, and instead of spending all that time to diagnose it, I just told him let's just put a switch in there. Put a new power cable on there, and it's pretty cool. Now it's like more modern. Now you just get in, just turn the ignition on, and bam, just push this guy right here. And that's it. The wrap. Now I can call him and tell him it's done and move on to the next. I pulled in that Audi SQ5, pulled the supercharger off. Visually, I don't see anything wrong. Kept getting a code for the flap. The flap function is working, so let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is it. Supercharger usually sits in the center there. The little flaps in here, once it hits a certain RPM, they open. I don't know if you can see that. But nothing's getting stuck. I mean, I feel a little like crunchy, but nothing out of the ordinary. There's a lot of carbon buildup. On this car, about a year ago, I changed this crankcase like assembly. It was a nightmare. As you can see, there's shit everywhere. But anyways, I mean, honestly, I don't want to sell her anything if she doesn't need it. I guess what I'll do is I'll put it back together and do like a functionality test and go from there. This job is a wrap. Check engine light's gone. I basically took the actuators or the flaps and repositioned them. Cleaned off the carbon. The code is gone. Thank God. Now I'm gonna move on to the G70 because I just got the turbo back today. Or actually I got the new turbo. And there she is. Coming back on the G70, I have the driver's side completely done. Got the feed line down there, dump tube, wastegate, downpipe, water lines are all ran. I decided to go on both on this side. It just looks cleaner. So this side's a wrap for the most part. I had to get creative with the return line. Tomorrow I'll pick up a 90 degree and see if it's a better overall fit to the return. I got the fittings for the water lines already ran. Well, not ran, but the fittings are installed. I got to run the water lines, which I'll do tomorrow. A lot of progress on this. So we'll get back to it tomorrow. All right, guys, a little update on the G70. I got intercooler mounted. I got the Vangeons welded. Hot side charge pipe is pretty much wrapped up. I have to finish the lower and then onto the upper. Then we get our first startup. And this is how she looks. Got the BMS intercooler on there. Charge pipe. I had to put a Vangeon there just to separate these two because it was impossible to get it installed after it was welded. So as you can see, it's coming along. Water lines are ran on this side, opposite side. Everything is plumbed and ready. Once I finish all the charge pipe stuff, then we get our first startup and she's ready to run. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this week's video. For next week, I have the first startup on the G70. I have Brandon's dyno and a couple other little things. I'm trying to keep the videos to under 10 minutes or so. You guys seem to be liking the shorts more. I'll kind of do a mixture of both, but I do appreciate everybody coming in, chiming in. The comments are awesome. You know, on the road to, you know, getting more subscribers. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys next week.